Ah, Ethereum. Now, that's a story I love to tell. So grab a comfy seat and maybe a cup of tea, 'cause Grandpa is about to take you on a little trip through the magical world of digital contracts and virtual gas stations. No kidding! Back in my day, money was just paper and coins. Maybe a plastic card, if you were fancy. But then came Bitcoin. And that was like discovering fire all over again. But just as we were getting used to this digital gold rush, along came a young whippersnapper named Ethereum and said, "Hey, ... what if money could think?" Let me tell you, kiddo, Ethereum isn't just about sending coins from one person to another. Nah, that'd be too simple. Ethereum is more like a giant global computer that no one owns, but everyone can use. It's got this magical thing called a smart contract. Sounds fancy, but it's really just a deal written in computer code. No lawyers, no middlemen, no "I forgot the fine print." If the conditions are met, boom, the thing executes automatically. It's like a vending machine, but for everything. And that's what makes Ethereum so powerful. Folks started building all kinds of applications on top of it. Stuff that used to need banks, notaries, or government offices. We're token games, where you own the sword your wizard picked up, art that lives on the blockchain, even loans you can take without a banker breathing down your neck. Now, all this wizardry doesn't come free. On Ethereum, when you want to run something, say a smart contract or a transaction, you pay a little something called gas fees. Not petrol, mind you. It's just the price you pay to use the network. And hoo boy, during the big boom years, those gas prices went up like my blood pressure after Christmas dinner. But the Ethereum folks are a clever bunch. They've been upgrading the whole thing like a teenager, tuning up a muscle car. They moved from the old energy-hungry system called proof of work to a cleaner, greener system called proof of stake. Less electricity, more efficiency. Even Grandma approved. And here's the real kicker, kid. Ethereum isn't finished. Nope, it's more like a garden that keeps growing. Developers are adding new features, scaling it up, making it faster and cheaper. Like turning your bicycle into a rocket ship, one upgrade at a time. So if Bitcoin is digital gold, Ethereum is like digital electricity, powering the future of finance, art, identity, you name it. Will it take over the world? Who knows? But it sure is one heck of an invention. Now go out there and tell someone what you've learned. And hey, if Grandpa helped you wrap your head around Ethereum, give that video a like and smash that follow button like I used to. Smash the remote when it wouldn't change channels. Let's keep this crypto train rolling, baby.